At present, the world is facing critical conditions. COVID 19 is spreading like a wildfire. Contemporary world is facing an unprecedented situation. We need to protect ourselves physically, mentally, and emotionally. We need to maintain an equilibrium. To maintain such a state, Sri 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 Viswajanani Amma has bestowed upon us the special Kriya. This Kriya needs to be practiced 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and evening. This special Kriya is an assembly of 4 Kriyas: Guru Prarthana, Bahya Antara Kumbhaka Pranayamam, Rakshana Kavacham, and Surya Kriya. Now, let us start with Guru Prarthana. Sit comfortably in Sukhasana on a soft white mat in a sunlit space. Place Namaskara Mudra over your head. Keep your spine straight and chant Guru Prarthana like this.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Second one is Bahya Antara Kumbhaka Pranayama. While sitting in Sukhasana, keep your spine straight from base to your neck. Stretch your arms out and place them on your respective knees in Jnana Mudra as shown. Take slow and deep breath through both nostrils till you count up to 6 numbers. After you take breath in, hold your breath until you count up to 4 numbers. This internal retention is called Antara Kumbhakam. Exhale slowly and steadily until you count up to 9 numbers. When the lungs are completely empty, relax the diaphragm gradually and slowly. Before drawing fresh breath, wait till you count up to 3 numbers. This waiting period is called Bahya Kumbhakam. Time duration can be increased with practice. This is one cycle of pranayama. Like this, we need to do 5 cycles of pranayama. Third one is Rakshana Kavacham. Stand in Namaskara Mudra. Raise both arms above the head, stretch up and join the palms and spread the legs apart sideways, just a little bit away from your shoulders. Your body posture looks like a triangle. Chant Om silently in the mind while breathing in and breathing out. Feel invisible spherical shield is formed around you. This is Rakshana Kavacham, filled with Vishwa Chaitanyam. Practice this mudra for maximum 5 minutes. The fourth one is Surya Kriya. Stand in Namaskara Mudra. Raise your arms sideways in line with your shoulders. Palms should face towards sky. Keep your arms parallel to the floor. Stand in a position for a minute until you feel your palms are heavy with the energy of the sun. Please note, palms should not be flat. See the video. You will notice that your arms are filled with energy. Bring and place palms on either side of your navel and feel the inflow of energy into your body through your fingers. Visualize that all your body organs below navel are energized and healthy. Again, raise your arms sideways in line with your shoulders. Palms should face towards sky. Keep your arms parallel to the floor. Stand in this position for a minute until you feel your palms are heavy with the energy of the sun. Bring your energy filled palms and place them on either side of your throat and feel the inflow of energy into your body through your fingers. Visualize that all your body organs below the throat are energized and healthy. Once again, raise your arms sideways, in line with shoulders. Palms should face towards sky. Keep your arms parallel to the floor. Stand in a position for a minute until you feel your palms are heavy with the energy of the sun. Now sit comfortably in Sukhasana and place your arms on knees with closed palms and thumbs up. Visualize energy flowing through your thumbs to the whole body and energizing the entire body and making it healthy. Sit silently in meditation for a minute. The advantages of practicing this Kriya are: first one, taking energy from sun helps increasing prana shakti within us. Cleans all chakras which are yogic energy centers, thereby boosting our immunity and body's natural defense against diseases. The second advantage is practicing Rakshana Kavacham Kriya daily helps in forming invisible spherical shield of Vishwa Chaitanyam around us. This will not allow any negative energy to come close to our body. If this Kriya is practiced regularly, life will be filled with ultimate peace, happiness and health. Please practice Kriya. Have blissful experience.